Hello guys, and this is Mario. This is my contest winners for my first Dumb Mario Bros contest. Whoa! So excited, I guess my 3DS is glowing. Awesome! So this is Super Plush Bros drawing. Let's see, pause it so we can get it at a better view. This is his drawing, and yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks cool. He didn't really put that much effort into it, but I'll accept it. Let's see the next video. Okay, so here's Yoshizilla's contest entry, and this is what his Yoshi looks like. It is pretty cool. So yeah, you can draw 2 characters Yoshizilla, so that will give you extra points. Yeah, the hand's kind of messed up. So yeah, I guess he tried to make it a little 3D-ish. But anyway, it looked awesome. But when we got to the Mario, I'd have to say that my cousin actually beat him in the Mario part, because when he drew Mario, my cousin's kind of looks better than his, and it's not like, just look at it, and I will show you my cousin's up next. Okay guys, this is my cousin Isaac's W video. So see here, he put a lot of effort into his Boo, and it's what I was talking about when I said my cousins would probably be better than Yoshizilla, his Mario. And look at that, There's the problem. See, it's both of that right there. That's the problem. He like erased too much, and he erased too much right here. So that's what makes Yoshizilla and Isaac W tied. It's just his drawing of Mario didn't really look that good, and Mario on his, he erased too much. So yeah, Mario's opinion. Wait, what? That's not my opinion. I think it's beautiful. I don't think. Okay, let's just roll the next 2 videos. So here's TextMyTube's drawing, and it looks pretty darn awesome. And you did a lot of work on here, and yeah. So let's move on to Wolverine Jack 101's video. Okay, so here's Wolverine Jack 101's drawing. So yeah, here's his drawing, and yeah, it looks awesome. It looks awesome, and I see right here that he kind of like the arm right here. I guess it's supposed to be like that. Oh wait, I see it now. I see what he did. That was very sorry. That was very clever, Wolverine Jack 101. So, time to announce the winners! Okay, time to announce the winners! Okay, so guys, the 3rd place winner, which will be getting a free shout out for the Dumb Mario Bros contest that has at least 24 views, is, drumroll please, and our 3rd place winner is TextMyTube! Woohoo! So, yes, TextMyTube, you win a free shout out. And yes, TextMyTube, you came in 3rd place. And this is why. You have 24 views in your video, at least 2 likes. And if I scroll down to the comments, you have cool comments. See, look. See how I just said so far. This is before Yoshizilla entered. He was like, see. So yeah, this is his drawing, and he also got a comment from Yoshizilla, and he got like awesome comments. So guys, that is TextMyTube. Yes, you came in 3rd place, and I'll be making a shout out video for you. And now it's time to see who came in 2nd place. Okay, drum roll please. And second place, yeah, second place. In 2nd place we have Yoshizilla. Yes, Yoshizilla, because he got like 1 like, and he has 18 views. So yes, congratulations Yoshizilla, you come in 2nd place. So we have TextMyTube, who came in 3rd, and we have Yoshizilla, who came in 2nd. Now, for the moment of all truth, our 1st place winner goes to, drum roll please, won. Congratulations, you have won the Dumb Mario Bros. Contest with your awesome drawing. Let's see your drawing one more time. So here's his drawing. It looks pretty awesome, and the reason he got it is because he has like, as you see here, it says 3 likes and 1 dislike, and it has 37 views. And also, let's see, let me exit out of this. But this, yes, it's really amazing. Like, that is amazing, Isaac W. I am so impressed. I'm so happy. And don't take this too seriously. Just because you didn't win Yoshizilla or Text My Tube and I picked my cousin does not mean just because like we are cousins. That doesn't mean that we would win all the time. Like, we win and we lose. So don't take it too seriously, and don't don't get sad or mad just because you didn't win. So Isaac W, you won because you're amazing drawing, and I went by views and comment. I went by views and likes. So Yoshizilla and Text My Tube, you win and 2. So Text My Tube, you get a free drawing, and I mean no, you get a free shout out. So text and Yoshizilla, you can you get a shout out, and put in the comments below if I should make a video or a drawing. Because if you ask for a drawing, I have already made your drawing right now, but I'm still working on it. I'm gonna pull it out and show you what it looks like so far. So yeah, Isaac W, you won. Congratulations. And now let me show you Yoshizilla's drawing. Now, if you choose to do a video, then yes, you can have a video. But if you choose a drawing, then yeah, I just wanted to be prepared. Better safe than sorry. Let's show you it. Okay, so Yoshizilla, this is your drawing. If you choose a drawing, then I didn't finish it yet. There's supposed to be a lot of Yoshis in the background. This is you. Here's the Yoshis that are going to be in the background. This is a black one. This is an orange one. And yeah, I'm gonna color them in, and I'm gonna color the rest of them. I'm gonna make more of them. And see, I can tell it's you because you're holding a recording camera. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. So those are the winners. And just yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Mario is peace. I'm sorry it's that like 7 minutes and 46 seconds long, but peace.